Okay, making a night video of the car I just got because I didn't see any night video of this vehicle. So obviously there is a reason why there is no night video of this of this car. I mean, because you can't see anything. But apart from that, I do have special night vision view. So let's get it on. Here we go. And you still can't see anything, but you can see some outline of the car. There it is. Anyway, let's head inside where you can actually see something. And it locked itself in. There you go. Now this is one of the problems with this car, is that you can't really see what you're pressing here when you're opening it up. But there we go. Got it unlocked. And I'm going to show you guys the dashboard inside of it. Okay. Inside the car, and it has this awesome brand new car smell. There. Turn it on. Turn off the sound. Let's turn off the heating system. Interestingly enough, you can't really see anything here. So let's see if this actually turns it on. I wish this was more of an outline so we can see more things here, but we can't. This is a little bummer of this car. Something it doesn't have. So it's supposed to somehow glow. Now there might be some kind of a button here that lets us turn the brightness of those on and off at night. So let's go adjust this a little bit. Now I wanted to show you the digits, how it looks at night here. This is the auto climate system. Press on this and you turn it off. That was the sound that we heard before. Now let's see if we can make it less bright right here. And no, I can't spin this either. Whatever it is. That was the spinner, which doesn't seem to do anything. Something supposed to, I think, light all this stuff up at night. And here is audio on. But I don't see any of this stuff going up here. There is no lights here. I wish I saw this when I bought it. And I don't know if this is something wrong with the car, or you can turn this on somehow so you can see what you're pressing here, because otherwise you don't know what you're pressing on at night at all. Let's see a few other things. In my Nissan before that, when I turned the lights on, you couldn't see that the lights were on. There was no indicator. And here it is. There was a blue indicator right on the side, right there. Right here. So there it is. There's the blue indicator. It doesn't look blue here, but this is blue. So when you turn on the lights, and here is this is supposed to be green actually. So we have two of them on here. Let me see if I can adjust this a little bit so you can tell what I'm talking about. So the green one is when the lights are on. And this is if you want to have the bright lights on. So both of them you can actually turn them on, which is really nice. And in my Nissan you couldn't actually do that. Oh, look at this. When you turn on the green light, our external light outside, which is right there, guess what happens? Interestingly enough, the whole dashboard lighted up in a very nice light. So now I can actually see and press on this. So initially I was thinking there was something wrong with the car because you couldn't really see what was going on here. Now I'm turning the sound on and you can only see the watch. So of course when I press on this you can see the stations, and this is not touch screen, by the way, in case you do like touch screen. Yeah, this is just too bad there was no touch screen here. But if you go in here in this menu all the way to settings, now we're gonna go all the way where it says wallpaper. Nope. And the one you want is RDS setting. You have the radio tags here, which is going to be on, but you still just see this. So if you want to get rid of this and you want to see more, press on setting, go into display adjustment, and we can change the brightness and the contrast as well. But I want to change something else here. So what I want to change here is going to be rear camera. This is interesting. That's not what I wanted, but this is kind of cool too. So let's go to setting, and now we're going into wallpaper. Select. We can have this as wallpaper. We can have some images if we want here as well, and yet that's not what we want. We want to adjust the radio. So setting, going all the way where it says display change. There we go. That one says audio or wallpaper. Let's go into wallpaper. Go over here, press on audio on, and now we have the channel tunes right there, menu, so those are all the different choices we have. It's not really that much interesting. I wish this thing had more interesting radio, but those kind of vehicles just don't have it anymore. Oh, here we go. Let's change it to audio instead. Press on here and the audio is off. And one thing about this car is that all the different choices we have here. No, I don't want to do that. I just wanted to explain a little bit. By in the old cars, what we had is you could just take this whole thing out of here and you could put your own cool radio inside. Unfortunately, because this has a special screen with a backup camera, you can't actually take the radio out anymore, which is a major bummer, because you could just upgrade this radio and put something much more cooler in here instead. But now you can't, because you're kind of stuck with this, and therefore if it has already a good radio system in there, that's kind of, you know, good if you get one with that. So that's the one big bummer about this. Now this is how it looks at night, and this kind of really nice looking. I don't know if you can see this, but inside here there's a gauge, and this is all actual physical gauge, and it just lights up. Now, I'm not sure how it actually looks like in the different mode, but this is really cool, by the way. So it'll be interesting to see how this car goes, and everything does light up inside once you sit inside the vehicle. The buttons right here on the side, and this is really nice too, with the red light. That actually is really nice. With the brake hold, parking assist right now. The really red tint to it. I don't know why. There was like all this red color. I don't know where it's coming from, but this is like really interesting. There's some kind of a light that shines and makes it red. I'm not sure. I want to show you guys. I'm not sure where it's coming from in the vehicle, but it does look kind of really nice. So that is the mood throughout the vehicle. This is the only places it's gonna really light up here. So this is it. This is kind of the video for you guys, instead, in case you want to see how this looks at nighttime. And if you like this video and of course want to see more, please subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. And as soon as you turn everything off, the internal light comes back on. I just want to show you guys what I mean by this. So I actually left the lights on, I think. Just thinking enough. You see right now green. I didn't turn off the lights. Here we go. Everything is off now. Let's turn this back on. Now I want to show you a little shortcut that's very interesting. So let's say, for example, you guys go about and buy this car, or any car for that matter, and you want to go and turn it off, and you want to have the light to do this. Look at this. I turn it off, remove the key, and the light automatically goes on. So how do I do this? It's very simple. There is right up here, there is a switch, and if you move it to the middle part, right in the middle, it's going to always turn on when the lights inside the car and you actually get the key out. Then the light actually turns on in the vehicle, which is kind of really cool. So you remove the key, the light turns on for a bit, and then it goes off just like that. And it's really awesome feature, by the way.